You back your fist, you last long. And you last long, and you dig out the belly bad, bro. It's when your ears say, oh my God, it's over. Want to hear she whisper, oh my God. Make sure say, oh my God. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Pam, 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 pam. Yeah, what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara, ladies and gentle G's. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you sound a like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification. I don't know, just 5 something. Easy. Yeah, but also want to see the title of the video. How to last longer in bed. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. How to last longer. And today, I just have 5 tips. You understand what I say? 5 tips on how to last longer in bed. Me and I got to chat in. Let's just get to work. You understand what I say? Up move. Alright, so tip number 1. How to last longer in bed. Back your fist. Back your fist about an hour before she come over or an hour before you link her. You understand what I say? Because you know every time man bust juice, we have to reboot like a Windows 98. You understand what I say? But bro, you want to take a good about 10, 15, half hour. Forgot some man catch back yourself and say, ready again. You understand what I say? So yeah man, back your fist about an hour before you move link up. And I guarantee you, she got surprised because she say, oh my God, this youth him not come. You understand what I'm telling you it's bad bro. It's when you don't bust juice, brother. You have a question if our pum pum good or not. You understand what I say? Yeah. When you go to someone back your fist, bro, and your door come, none at all, you could go all 3-4 round and you not come in and bust no juice. She have a question if our pussy good, brother. Back your fist before she come by, my lord. You understand what I say? It's proven. Ask any old man and them can tell us, yo, if you want to pan it long, brother, if you suffer from premature ejaculation, bad bro, back your fist. Just get a good rub. You know, use good lotion too. And use your good hand. Not use the hand where you use less. Use your good hand so you can get the real grip. And that's what I say. And just stay so grip. You see that movie there with Arnold Schwarzenegger when him go to space and then he start swell up like him head a pole coat and a pole coat and the head swell big. Yeah man, that's how you go some man back your fist man. Yeah. Back your fist. You understand what I say? Trust me. You back your fist, you last long. And you last long and you dig out the belly bad bro. It's when your ears say, oh my God, it's over. Want to hear she whisper, oh my God. Make sure say, oh my God. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Alright, so tip number 2. You understand what I say? This is the lamest thing ever. But it save a whole heap of life. You understand what I say? Use a condom. How to last longer in bed? Use a condom. Everybody know. Every man know. When you use boots, it take away at least 80 to 90% of the feeling. It don't feel warm like how it feel warm without the boots. You ever touch a new girl yet and she happen for just turn your girl. I want to stop you use boots. And when you're running raw, you say, whoa. Oh my God. This is warm. Oh my God. You understand what I say? And you know, say, yo, some girl when them get super wet, it's like no friction at all. It's like you just go in and go. She probably feel something, but me not feel nothing. You understand what I say? Me just go in and out. Me think too wet, it too slippery. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. So just use boots. You take all the sex are lame, but your pleasure she and you keeping yourself safe at the same time. You understand what I say? So use a condom. That's tip number 2. You understand what I say? No. Number 3. And I suffered with this problem when I was younger too. You understand what I say? I always like beat up skins fast. Beat up skins. When you beat up skins fast, bro, you're hurrying the process of you busting. You understand what I say? So when you stay some, because you deal with it fast. No, brother, take it easy, Irish. You understand what I say? Just wine in our belly, bad bro. Wine in our belly. Let me tell her earlier. When she said, oh my God, you know, see, you're in there, brother. Just wine in our blood clot belly. Wine in our blood clot belly, brother. Wine in our blood clot belly. And she said, oh my God. If I want a white girl, she goes, oh my God, you're daddy. Oh my God, daddy, you. Take your time. Because you see the fastness, friction. Who did I get rubbed on fast? You're already in the process of bust juice. You don't want that, brother. You're going to end up in a blood clot, WhatsApp, call, chat. You understand what I say? When she and her friend them a text, Jesus Christ, the boy, as the boy take out him wood, so him would start leak. Him come without even dropping him front. You know I end up in one group chat, brother. Me know me end up in a group chat already. Me know I end up in a group chat already. Brother, me the younger whole heap of L's me take with girl in a brother. Whole heap of L's me take with boobies, bad bro. You understand what I say? So me coming in a show, no, me not come nowhere. You know a Jamaican you deal with. You can't use the English language and say you're coming because them gonna think about sex. So forward. You understand what I say? Me are forward with them tips to help the G's them because I don't want to end up in a WhatsApp group like me. So slow down, bad bro. Alright, so tip number 4. This is called the pull and squeeze method. You understand what I say? Tip number 4. How for last longer, you pull and squeeze. You understand what I say? So you don't know, so you beat up the booba. You know, see you feel like a tingling, like you know, see you my boy for boss. You feel like a tingling, don't? Let me tell you what you have to do. Pull out that blood clot and stay and grab the blood clot head and stay so don't blood clot come out in here. Grab the head. Just grab the head so all that blood can go back up in your body. You understand what I say? Because your hooded full of blood, you know. You understand what I say? The mushroom tip full of blood. Your blood clot would have tiff to maximum capacity yet. Because some of them girls that don't know, so the hood can get stiffer and stiffest. Some of them girls that don't know, say, how attracted we are to you determine the stiffness of wood. So if your attractiveness depend like a 1 to 5, we would have got semi-stiff, semi-tough. You're there from about 6 to 7, medium tough. And from 8 to 10, yeah. So our level of attractiveness determine the stiffness of our body. So mama, anytime your blood clot run up on a man and wood soft are you. 9 times out of 10 is you. You don't turn him. Turn him on, play with the balls a little bit. And that's what I'm saying about this is not about the woman, this is about the fellas. So when time you feel like you're forward, brother, you just pull out and grab your hooded and squeeze that blood clot. I say, behave yourself, boy. And that's what I say, don't come out. I'm not talking about when you're ready for boss, you know. I'm not talking about right as you're ready. I'm talking about you feel it, you feel the juice are ready for rush out, and you stop it right there, sir. Don't wait till the juice ready for open the gate or no. When you feel a little tingle, me attack. Like you say, boom, you want it both for reach. You just grab it and say, hey boy, slap it there. I drew it down to that, don't slap it, but pull it out and squeeze it and restrict the blood flow. Then that's what I say. So when time get about a good 20 seconds. When you pull out and squeeze, go and play with the front same time. You understand what I say? Go and play with the front same time while you pull and squeeze. So you can't left she unattended for 20 seconds because it might dry up on you. You don't want that. See? Good. So pull and squeeze. Now, for the 5th tip. It sounds easier said than done, Zane, but this is the best way. Gain more experience. You see, when you gain more experience, brother, first of all, you gotta fix yasso. Because 90% of man erectile problem, yasso. Right here. If you bust quick, it's not your hood, it's your mind. It's your mind. And me can attest to that. I tell you that, bad bro. You understand what I say? Brother, when me I look up boy, brother, I just want bam, shoot up the club. Come here, you understand what I say? No. I want to fold up them gala like clothes. You understand what I say? Put her in some pretzel position and put her up on the chandelier and just have a swing on the chandelier like Tarzan in a hole. You understand what I say? Means a bad boy like Marlon so Will Smith. Let me tell you. What did I tell you? gain more experience. If your woman only give you crutches 2 times a month and she a complain about your sex game, tell her, say, mama, you need to increase the sex up to like 2 times a week so we can get more experience. If you not give your man the front, you can't expect him to have the bomb sexual experience, mama. The man them who fuck good, a man them who fuck enough. You understand what I say? Yeah. Cause one time I never did fuck, the girl them a laugh off of me. You understand what I say? Oh, the boy niggas go, oh! No, I dare when I want to laugh off of me. I'll beat out your wall. Gain more experience. When you gain more experience, bad bro, you fix your mind. Anxiety used to kill me. When time you're running on some front, it's either my hood can't stand up, or if it do stand up, it dead back. Because me I say, what if me not please a girl? Jano, I don't know what me I do. What my please her. More option, tell no now. Brother, fuck the girl, brother. Just fuck her bad, bro. You understand what I say? Because whether it's a L or a W, that is a win regardless, because you just gain more experience. So when you learn from that girl, yeah, you go take it and carry, go get that girl. If you have a personal girl and she only has sex so much time and she complain about your sex game, you need practice. Mama, don't complain about my sex game if you're not giving a practice. Give me the pussy 2 times a week instead of 2 times a month, and maybe I can fuck you a lot better. Someone of increase the pussy placement. Increase the pussy placement. Just go and one night I see him lay down in the bed, he must sleep. Box him down face and pull out him out and not sit down on it. Mama, you understand me? I say, yeah. So in order for you to last longer, you also need experience. Because as I said, me personally, when I'm fucking now, bro, I don't think about nothing but busting my juice and make sure to have a good time. I don't even focus on making women come anymore. You want to know why? Because a lot of them don't even know them body. The girl them who me focus on, as me say, me like fuck girl where me a fuck continuously. Me like fuck that girl there, then that girl there, then that girl there, then no more. Me like fuck one girl, and me like fuck enough. For fuck multiple girl, nice, you know, but I'm at the age right now, I can't even use TikTok and Instagram in the same day no more. You understand what I say? I'm too busy. So, I can't fuck 2 girls, but I'm not doing it. I'm tired. You understand what I say? I'm tired. And it's not say my body tired, I just don't want to hear you talking right now. Shh. Hey. Shh. I chat too much. Just come sit down on my blood clot cocky mama. You understand what I say? So you need to gain more experience. Now, how you gonna do that? Find a fuck buddy. Friends with benefits. Get yourself in a long-term relationship and fuck as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? But you need experience, because experience, you gotta fix your mind first. And when you fix your mind, you fix your body. I'm telling you, you're gonna last longer. When you get rid of anxiety and you get rid of your shyness, gain a whole heap of confidence, brother, and you run in another room there, bro. Eye contact. Look her in her blood clot, yeah. I want you to say, oh my God. It's when a girl whisper, oh my God. You're in a blood clot belly bottom, youth. So there you go. 5 tips on how to last longer in bed. And maybe I'll do a part 2 if this video touch 150 comments. I don't know. You understand what I say? Maybe I will do part 2 if this video touch 150 comments. Bless upon yourself. If I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Let me know what you think. You understand what I say? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and notification bell so we can grow the farm. Up move! Wait a minute. Merch! One Nation and God. I know it's on the seat, man. It's a forward soon. You see me? Up move!